Have you ever thought about getting a Traeger? Let me talk to you for a minute about the pros and cons. One of the biggest ones that everybody looks at is you're cooking with natural wood. So you're not using propanes, you're not using glues, you're not using fillers, you're using apple wood, cherry wood, hickory wood, mesquite wood, and you're getting those flavors infused into your meat when you cook with them. Another feature that Traeger offers is the round barrel design. What this does for you is this makes a convection oven. So it has a fan built into the bottom and it circulates the air throughout the entire unit so you never get hot spots. Another benefit Traeger offers is it's not just for grilling and smoking meat. My wife and I, we both use it all the time, but you could do cookies, you could do casseroles, you could do pies in it. It's not just for meat. Another feature that Traeger offers is the Wifire. What the Wifire is it's an app that you download on your phone or tablet, and you can control the features of your Traeger, the temperature, cooking recipes, everything you have anywhere in the world you have service. Another benefit that Traeger offers is the temperature probe. This is a great tool if you're looking at doing prime rib or a steak and you want that perfect internal temperature. All you do is plug it in, run your probe through the hole, and put it right in your meat. Another option that Traeger offers is a full line of accessories. If you're looking for a cover for your grill, cleaners, spices to barbecue sauces, check out the link below to see more. With Traeger being so great, there are a few downsides with them. Let me go over a couple of those now. One of the cons with Traeger is you do have to use Traeger pellets, and they have to be Traeger branded, so you cannot go out and buy pellets and just put them in your machine. So one of the biggest questions we get is how long does a bag of pellets last? One 20-pound bag of pellets lasts about the same as a 5-gallon bottle of propane. One of the downsides of Traeger is the power outlet. You do have to have AC power, so if you're putting it on your patio, you need to make sure you're near a power outlet, or if you go camping or something, you have to bring a generator with you. Another downside with Traeger is the temperature. So the Traegers get to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're looking for that perfect sear on a steak, you can't achieve it as well with a Traeger as you can with a traditional barbecue. Another downside with Traeger is the cleaning. Depending on how often you use your Traeger grill, there is some maintenance of vacuuming out the ash because it does burn 100% natural wood. So what the Traeger does is it builds up some ash in the ash box, and if you do not vacuum that out, the fan will circulate that ash into your food. Please comment below and share us your favorite Traeger recipes. I'm Jason with Boulevard Home. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you make some decisions on Traeger and give you some more education on it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe or go to boulevardhome.com.